Start this exercise by taking a comfortable position. You can either lie down or you can sit comfortably. Make sure that your back is straight and your chest is open and you have space for your breath. Breathe in slowly through your nose and breathe out through your nose. And while you are here and breathing, know that the past is gone and the future is just ahead of you. And just relax and concentrate on being happy and free here and now. And be aware of every one of your breaths. And try to concentrate on your breath continuously. Follow your breath when it starts and your abdomen starts to expand. And with every one of your breaths, observe how it feels, how your abdomen is rising and falling. Think your breath as a sway. It goes up and down. And just as that sway, after every exhalation, your breath is kind of slowing down a little. And just follow your breath all the way. How it, after your exhalation, slows down a little before it starts again with your inhalation. And just accept your breath as it is. And enjoy the movement of your breath, the rise and fall. Enjoy the fact that you can just stay here, be present here and now. You are kind of standing still in here and now. You may notice that some thoughts come onto your mind. But try not to follow your thoughts. Just follow your breath. Think how easy and nice it is to be here. And with every breath, letting go of something that doesn't serve you anymore. Let your breath guide you into relaxation. Relax your face and smile. Notice the feelings in your body and just accept them. Be aware of your body. Notice how the air is coming in through your nostrils when you inhale. Maybe you hear some voices around you, but you don't have to react to them. You don't have to go with your thoughts or your feelings. Think of your breath as an anchor, which prevents the boat not to sail away. And when you are concentrating on your breath, you don't get lost in your thoughts. You feel the feelings on your skin and the sounds around you. But you don't have to pay attention to them. You can smile to those little things that may distract you. You may be itching a little. Some memories may pop into your head, or sounds around you. Just think that I can just smile and relax and be satisfied. And with every one of my breaths, I slowly arrive the place called here and now. My mind is peaceful and my body is relaxed. I am calm and peaceful. I feel myself free. I feel like being home. Then slowly you can start coming onto your normal breath. And just feeling how it feels to breathe today, now. How you are feeling now. And then make a little movement. Start to wake yourself up, getting ready for your day. Getting ready for the next task ahead. Take one deep inhalation and exhale fully. And when you are ready, you can open your eyes and continue with your day. Namaste.